You get to decide what's coming next. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. Well, we come here as the creators of our reality to be, do, and have what we want. And the whole universe is behind us, supporting us all the time to have the life that we want. And we have all the faculties to work in conjunction with universal elements so that our life flows in the ways that we want it to flow. Now, we know we live here on planet Earth in a physical form and physicality all around us. But what we haven't known and now are starting to know is that our full reality is not just planet Earth. It is vibrational reality, meaning things that the contrast on planet Earth, things that aren't the way we want them to, that is the natural asking where our inner being sets up a vibrational version of what we want. So at the very same time we have an experience that we do not like, or we want it to be different, the experience that we want is available for us to receive, to start to receive that, so it comes in and replaces the existing experience. So what determines what comes next, in other words, if we keep getting the same experience, keep having the same experience, if the same experience keeps manifesting, or the new experience manifests, what decides that is where our focus is. So if we're in a job and we don't like the job entirely, we like some of it, but we have ideas for a different kind of job, things that we'd rather have. So that job exists now at the very same time as the job that we're working in physically exists. The vibrational job that we want exists at the very same time. And so as we go to that job with energy that is high vibration, in other words, we're focusing on the positive aspects of the experience that we currently have, and we know that the clarity that we got from that experience caused the expansion to the new experience. So we now have the joy of knowing that, and the receiving of the path is, as soon as today we can be receiving the path, then we are vibrationally in tune with the new experience, and that will be the thing that comes next. It will start to come. Now, it doesn't come overnight, but it starts to come. It starts to be the new manifestation. And if we go to the job and we're complaining about the job, or we feel stuck in the job, or we're feeling just negative energy around the job, then what energy we're offering is going to cause that same experience to come back as a manifestation. You see, if you have a job that you don't like and it keeps being that way, it's not the same job. It's the same experience, but it's different energy. See, it's a new wave of energy. Life is not as solid as we think it is. It's a constant flowing river of energy. So when things stay the same, it's not that the energy is the same, the experience is the same, but it's a new wave of energy constantly. But if it's the same old vibration, then it manifests the same way, same general way, because a person could just up and leave a job and say, I'm fed up with it, I'm just leaving. And if they don't clean up the energy and they get another job, then it is going to be the same relative experience, you see, because the same vibration is behind the manifestation. It's only when we change our focus to a positive focus on the experience that we have that it can remanifest into the new experience that we want. So that it could be about a business or relationship or any kind of material objects, anything. I mean, if you you've been living in your house and you want a different house, well, your inner being knows that from the contrast, from what it is that you don't like. And so immediately, while you're living in your existing house, the new house you want is in your reality. It's in your vibrational reality. That's your total reality. It's on the way to manifesting. Now, what decides if that new house is the next manifestation is the energy that you're offering. So if you're in tune vibrationally with the new house experience and you have no resistance about the current house or anything like that, then it is going to start to be the new manifestation. Again, it won't be tomorrow, but you are starting to receive it. You're ready for the new house. You're vibrationally ready for the path to be receiving it, versus being not ready and keep inviting back the same house experience that you're in currently. So this is a really important concept when you think about it, that see, whenever something in your life is not the way you want it to be, you can't say you don't have what you want, because you do. You just have it vibrationally. And it is on the way to manifesting. And whether it does or not, it depends on your daily energy, your daily vibration that you're offering to the law of attraction. Okay? So you get to decide what's coming next. Now, I had this conversation with person I'm working with today, and they're doing a great job at it, because they have a job and they like it okay. Like, there's a lot of good things about it. They're not really chomping at the bit to get out of there, but they do have an aspiration to have an expanded job experience. And so, in their attitude about liking where they're at and thinking about the prospect of new experiences and some expansion in that area of their vocation, now they're in really good state. And they were telling me something about what was going on, and they could have reacted to it, right? In that job where they are, and if they had of, then they would have been shutting the door to receiving the new job experience. See, they wouldn't be ready. But they responded to the situation, and they didn't get upset or bothered by it. They just let it be something that told them that they are ready. They're ready to move to the different experience. So they took that really well. But if they had have got offside with that situation, then they would not be ready for the new experience. So it's really important that you understand, again, in any kind of situation that you're in, that you don't like how it's going, or you want it to be different or more in some way, all that's contrast. If you understand and will understand that at this very same time that you're in that experience physically, the experience that you want is a vibrational reality ready to start manifesting in your day. The path to it, you can be receiving now. So that tells you that you're never without. You're never stuck anywhere in life, in any situation, and everything you want, you have it. You have it now, but you have it vibrationally first. So now as you go through your day, whatever it is, if it's a business, a job, a relationship, material objects, that kind of thing, whatever it is, if you go through your day and you have that sort of attitude about the existing situation and the joy of the new experience on the way, and you're just generally positive in your day, because the path to the details are high vibration. So whatever you're doing in your day, you really got to be in that high vibration energy. If you will be there, now what the next thing to come is what's starting to manifest now is the new experience. Whereas if you're in negative energy about the current experience that you're in, what's on the way to coming next is the same experience. You see, you have a choice. You get to decide what's coming next. Is it the same old experience in the job, or is it the new job experience? Is it the same experience in business, or is it the new experience in business that you want, because the existing experience was the contrast that caused you to ask? And so are you ready to receive that, or are you still focused on what the contrast is, so that's the next thing that's going to manifest? You see, it's just not the same energy. Months later, you're in that same experience, and it's not the same energy, although it's the same experience, and it's kind of tricky, or as some people say, trippy. It's kind of trippy that it looks the same, but it's different energy, because you've been offering the same old energy, and it keeps manifesting the same way. So you've got to be in that situation and offering the new energy that agrees more with what it is that you want. And of course, the mix of all of that is yourself. You've got to feel your worthiness, of course, and your value, so that that vibration is in agreement and in tune with the things that you want. So that's always going to be there. So again, a very important concept that can make life feel a lot easier when you think wherever you are and it's not the way you want it to be. It could be a health situation, could be a money situation, any situation, really, any situation at all, because this is all energy manifested. All of our life is, every aspect of it. So whatever's going on, if it's not fully the way you want it to be, then the way that you want it to be, that experience is now. It's as equally now as the thing that's in your hand, that you're touching, that is physical to you. Because your vibrational reality is as real as your physical reality. It's just that the physical reality has already manifested and the vibrational reality is on the way. However, just to repeat myself, if you're in that physical reality that you don't like, and that's where your focus is, and on the negative energy of that situation, now what you're asking for is a repeat of the same manifestation, of the same experience. Even though it's you want it to be different, you're offering the energy that matches the current experience, so that same experience is going to manifest with different energy. It's new energy, newly offered energy, you see. So if you break that cycle and you start offering, even in the face of the situation you don't like, you start to offer new positive energy that agrees with the experience that you want, that came to be because of the experience that you're having that you don't like, now you're a vibrational match to that. And that's why I talk about finding the positive aspects in your day. Wherever you are in a situation you don't like, you want to find the emotional satisfaction in it, which we always can, because we can think, well, I'm happy for the clarity that I got, and I know, my inner being knows what I want and has that set up. So I know that's on the way. So that right there is a huge piece that allows you to be at ease and know that your life is in the process of changing. If you will appreciate that contrast, if you will look for positive aspects where you are, and you will feel the joy of not only the thing on the way that you want, but the path to it, which is also a lot of joy in that. So that's the message for today, that you're not stuck. You're not have to wonder what's coming next. You get to decide what's coming next. There's two realities available to you. One is physical and one is vibrational. One is not completely the way you like it to be, which is the physical version, and then the other version is the exact way you like it to be based on your experience to date and how you've identified how you want it to be. Those are both existing right now, right where you sit or stand. You have two options available to you to what starts to manifest next. A repeat of what you are experiencing that you don't like, or the flow in of the new experience to replace the experience that you don't like. This is the power that you have, people. This is the power of the universe that's behind you. It's orchestrating, setting it all up, and the power that you have is to go through your day with your thought choices to keep your energy in alignment, and that is going to bring in that new experience to replace the existing experience that you want to have in an improved way, whether it be money, a business, job, relationship, friendships, anything, travel, any kind of experiences, anything at all about life. The what you want is going to be on the way if you decide to focus your mind in the positive feeling ways going through your day. Not only about your situation and the joyous expansion, the vibrational reality on the way to you, but everything in your day, the people in your day, the circumstances of your day, right? You, yourself, looking in the mirror, you like yourself, you understand everything is your mirror. You're just not letting anything pull you down into a low vibration for any reason. And when you live that way, then you are consciously and intentionally deciding what comes next. You can say, well, I really don't like it the way it is, but I'm deciding that the next thing that comes in is going to be the one that I want, and I'm going to decide that with my energy, and that's what's going to flow in rather than a repeat manifestation of what I don't want. Okay, That's the message for today. Thanks for listening in. If you have any questions, leave them on the post and enjoy your day.